where art meets code. I think this is a very unique motto and I enjoy it very much. They allow you on this website to revolutionise your brand with unique QR codes, which look like this. The account, which only allows you to have 3 credits each month. It also shows you the duration of the account left, and you have the option to renew it whenever you like. Here is the history, that you would like. Press on any of these to generate. And there you have it. QR code that will send this bit of text to anyone who scans it. And then if you want to upload your own QR code, you would click on upload. Select your image export ratio. Here you can either go for a 1:1 ratio, a 16:9, a 9:16, or a 4:5 ratio. Each one will vary on how much QR codes you have inside. And then you have the sample count decides how many QR codes you want to create. For the video we are just going to create 1. Detailed refinement steps. This indicates how many steps your AI will run to define your image. So we're going to leave it on 50 for this video. The transformation intensity. Transformation intensity determines the intensity of transformation to your original image. For this video we are going to leave it on 0. It goes all the way up to 1, but we are just going to leave it on 0. The creativity or music, and there are many others. They will all have pre-created art for you to use if you do not think of your own prompts to enter when creating your own art. So this video tutorial will be using this lovely city nightlife image, and we'll be pressing edit this QRArt. Here, and there you have a QR code of the background you have chosen. So from here you can then add your own brand, which is an area where you can introduce your own logo into the imagery you have selected. So you can go to your choose file and you will select either a PNG or a JPEG file. So for this we're going to use this file here, and we're going to press submit, and then this will add in the logo.